Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to discuss arithmetic mean for group data by shortcut method. The formula for group data by shortcut method to calculate arithmetic mean is A plus sigma FD upon N into H, where A is the midpoint of mid value. So first we will calculate mid value and then we will find out the central value, that will be A. D is deviation. Deviation formula also x minus a divided by h. By this formula we will calculate deviation for all the intervals. And h is size of the class interval. So 200 to 400 gapping. We will see the gapping. 200 difference is there. 400 to 600 200. 600 to 800 200. Again 200. So h value is 200. Now come to the question. Question is calculate the average profit by the shortcut method for this given data. So profit we mention all the values in tabular form. The first column will be this class interval 200 to 1600. We wrote all the values in tabular form. Now next column will be the mid value, midpoint. So how we will calculate mid value? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 200 plus 400 will be 600. 600 divided by 2 will be 300, right? This is the mid value formula, midpoint formula. How we calculate L1 plus L2 divided by 2. This limit is called lower limit and this limit is called upper limit. So L1 is 200, L2 is 400. 200 plus 400 divided by 2 we will get 300. For similarly for this column, this value 400 plus 600 will be 1000 and divided by 2 we will get 500. So by this formula we will calculate all these mid values: 700, 900, 1100, 1300 and 1500. Mid values how we calculate? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. We will find out this column x. Next column is for frequency. Frequencies are given in the question. So we just wrote down all these frequencies in front of the class intervals. Now next is deviation. Deviation how we calculate? Deviation formula is x minus a divided by h. So x, suppose first we will calculate for this class interval 200 to 400, x value will be 3. So 300 we will calculate here. Deviation. How we calculate deviation? X minus a divided by h. So for first class interval, x is 300. Minus a will be same. A is central value. Central value means midpoint. So if we remove 3 from up and 3 from down, central value we will find a. This will be a. Okay. A is the mid value, midpoint, central point or central value of mid values. These mid value column. So a is 900. A will be same for all. Only we will change the x. So x minus a, 300 minus 900 divided by h. H is 200, which is also equal for all the class intervals. So 300 minus 900, how much we getting? 600 minus 600 divided by 200. So we are getting minus 3. So D for first interval, class interval, we are getting minus 3. Similarly, we will calculate for all the class intervals. For second class interval, I am also calculating. Just quickly calculate for second class interval. 400 to 600, x value is 500 and a value we have how much? 900 and h value we have 200. So it will be minus 400 divided by 200. So we will get minus 2. So minus 2. Same way we will calculate minus 1 we will find, and here 0, then 1, then 2 and then 3. Fine. So deviations also we calculated by this formula. Now next column is f into d. So f into d is, f is this column and d is this column. So we will multiply both the values. 500 minus 3 will be minus 1500. 300 minus 2 will be minus 600. Minus 280. This 0. This 100. This 160. And this 60. So we multiplied FD. Now check the formula. We need summation FD, sigma FD. Sigma means addition of this column. So if we will add FD, this column, all FD values, we will find sigma FD. So let's find sigma F into D. After adding all these values, sigma FD value, we will get minus 2060. Minus 2060, we are getting sigma F. Now what we need? N. N is, if frequency is given in the question, so N is summation of F, sigma F. If we will add all these frequencies, we will find sigma F. So sigma F, we are getting how much? 1400. 1400. So sigma F, this N will be sigma F if frequency is given in the question. So this we are getting how much? 1400. A is also we have 900. H also we have 200. Now we will put these values in the formula. A is 900 plus and sigma FD we have minus. So it will be minus 2060. Summation F we got 1400 into H we have 200. After calculating X bar value, arithmetic mean, we will get 605.61. So we got the answer. So average profit is X bar, average profit is 605.71. I am repeating again. If we need to calculate arithmetic mean for group data by shortcut method, then this formula we will apply, and according to the formula we will make a table. First column will be class interval, second column will be mid value, which formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Third column is frequencies column. Next we will calculate deviation. Deviation for all the class intervals we will find out. So formula is x minus a divided by h. Next column is fd, and then we will add all these values fd. We will find out sigma fd. Sigma f, we will add all these frequencies. We will find sigma f. A we have 900. H we have the size of the class intervals, which is equal to 100. Now we will put the values and we will find our arithmetic mean for shortcut method. I hope guys you understood. Bye bye. Take care.